Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the 2016 through 2021 Honda Civic Sedan. This product comprises three components, starting with the Thule Evo Clamp foot pack set of four, and the Thule WingBar Evo load bars set of two, available in silver or black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of four of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and four molded rubber base pads. Both of these have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct placement on each of the individual feet. So here's one of the feet that will demonstrate that just by removing the outer cover. Within the cover, you see we have already applied a sticker that's included with the fit kit so that this foot will be determined as the front left position. And so we would just find the correct corresponding rubber base pad and press that to the underside, press around the perimeter, and then the door frame bracket, just press up and it snaps into place. Now within the foot, you see there are two silver tabs which you press against, and those will allow us to insert the load bar. We'll do that next. This is the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. We've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track which is accessed from the end by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide in the appropriate hardware without cutting the rubber. It separates the two pieces of rubber here, and you can attach certain carriers directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. Now, when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, there's an underbar slot. Let's take off this end cap. And then you'll see within the slot, there is a measuring device. It has scale numbers, and those scale numbers are also shown in the instruction sheet to determine where the foot will be placed along the length of that slot. So once you've determined that number, you just press in on the silver tab, slide the foot down on that slot until it reaches the tab on the measuring device, and then you've got your foot installed there. Now you'll notice that on the underside here we have some exposed slot, and we want to fill that in with rubber that's provided with the load bars. That rubber is just cut down to the correct length and pressed into place. Then you can return the end cap into position. That just snaps on. Okay, next, when it's time to tighten this door frame bracket into the door frame of the vehicle, you just use the tool that's provided with the foot pack and tighten the fastener. This handle on the end will click once it's fully tightened, ensuring that you've reached the correct tension. Then you can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place just with a snap. Give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. Though you do have an option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder from Thule, which are available in matched sets. A set of four will lock all four of your feet, but you can also buy these sets in larger quantities in order to lock not only your roof rack, but also your lockable accessories, all using the same numbered key. Okay, so those are all key features of the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the 2016 through 2021 Honda Civic Sedan. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Be sure to see the link in the video description for all your buying options. You'll also find a link there that will give you a more in-depth installation video for this rack system. Also, be sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel, and we thank you very much.